Aloe vera is widely recognized for its ability to soothe and heal skin burns and sunburns due to its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. The plant's gel contains compounds like polysaccharides and glycoproteins, which help to reduce pain and promote skin repair. Aloe vera has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in preventing infections and treating minor wounds. It is commonly used to alleviate symptoms of acne, as its antimicrobial properties can help reduce inflammation and bacteria on the skin. The plant's high water content and vitamins A, C, and E contribute to skin hydration and overall skin health. Aloe vera gel can be used to treat minor skin irritations and rashes, providing a calming effect and reducing redness. When taken orally, aloe vera juice may aid in digestion and help soothe symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Its anti-inflammatory properties can also benefit those with arthritis. By reducing joint pain and inflammation, aloe vera is believed to enhance the immune system due to its rich content of antioxidants and polysaccharides. Regular use of aloe vera may promote wound healing and improve skin elasticity, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products.
Thanks for watching the video.